Here we go. So this one, they're spinning, they're coming at me, or going away. And then we need to add a code that it only happens, or it goes the other way when the mouse is pressed, right? So, switch what they are doing. So, that thing's freaking me out. So let's get my control variable. I'm going to need an if-else, right? And we can say if my mouse down, left button. Let's go ahead and make all this happen. And copy and paste it. Copy. Try that again. I don't know. Let's try that again. Control C, Control V. We got all those again. We're going to go down here. And then we want the opposite to happen on all of these down here. So opposite of division, multiplication. Opposite of subtraction, divide, and add. Here we go. Running it. So if my mouse goes down, then we make this happen, right? So mouse down, change the direction, gets bigger or smaller. Bada bing. So let's show those blocks again. So if the mouse is, right now the mouse is not down, so this is happening, right? It's getting huge over here. But if the mouse is down, right, then this is happening. So this is happening when I push the mouse. Bada bing. Now, let's see, we need to make a B, like this one, follows the mouse, right? And so we're going to compare to mouse X, right? And what is it? Create a B that draws in the center of the window. Okay, let's start there. Create a B that draws in the center of the window. Bada bing. B and B. Oh, I never drew it. Never drew it. Need my draw sprites. We drew it. Hey, there's my first step. And then inside it, set the X position of the sprite to the value of mouse X. Right? Inside the draw loop. Ooh, this shouldn't be in the draw loop there. That was my bad. So now we need to update our sprite X, which is the B, and that should be world. I always do this wrong. Capital world dot mouse X equals, oh, that's it. So the BX is going to be wherever the mouse is. Ooh, that is funky. We don't have a background. This is I like to code like this. I just start making things and then go from there. They got all light blue on that one, so I'm going to do light blue here. All right, now we're working right. Then need the same thing. Let's go ahead and get my sprite Y. And so BY should be world.mouse Y this time, right? And we have a B that follows. Awesome. And I needed to go to this because this one's attached to it. So what we just did, loaded into this one. And we're going to make it shake a little bit, I believe, when it goes here. So update the X and Y location to be random close to the mouse, right? How would we do that? I think we need some math. I'm going to go ahead and put show blocks. It's going to be easier. What I want to do is add a random number between -5 and 5. So it's going to be random, shaken left and right. Right? So what does that look like in the box? I got world mouse X plus a random number between. So first thing, it's going to go where the mouse is. And then it's going to be random, like -5 to 5. So that's how I'm just moving left and right. And I'm going to jump into my text again. And then we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Would be easier. Bada bing. Let's look at the box so you can see it. And now it's shaking up, down, left, and right around my mouse. Cool. Go for a fly, B. Alright. Add 3 more Bs that follow the mouse in the same way. You can try that on your own. I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's get this thing to shake. And it's supposed to shake when my mouse moves. So mouse did move is the text we want to use. So control. If mouse did move, then if mouse, did I type that right? Yeah. If mouse did move, then we want our sprite rotation, which is the salt shaker, to be a random number between, let's go, well, it started at 150, let's go 140 to 160. Did move. Mouse did move. I don't think did I type that in wrong? Mouse did move. Oh, I need parentheses on it. That's why. There it is. Mouse moving, and it shakes. Mouse moving, shake. Otherwise, don't shake. Right? So if the mouse is moving, this thing will shake, and it's, you know, it started there, but I'm doing a random number between 140 and 160 to get it to shake within a constraint. Wow, that looks like really good. Okay. Ooh, 16 mouse input. We did it, people. Good luck.